rituals, how often a year when do you, perform?
That's a good question. The performance of we perform rituals here only in the major cases like war, epidemic, and the crow.
Hakashipau tarik jemang araja arpsau, Nongkit, Tien, Syiem, Kari France, Cha India, Utiari, Matho, ulalit jengo ikalau kentang hamau plang bat kimau bena, ka Heritage Village, hamau plang East Khasi Hills. Hakani gejingwan jengo umatho ulayat kejat lai kenta, haklau lau kentang, mau plang. Belayalam ulingdo ka himau mau plang, ubat tambor lingdo mau plang. Hapapan pawai kani gejing start ukasi, Nongkit Tien Syiem ka France ulaong, ngiyo Jinghikai na pi Kumno banyada ya ka Mariang bat ya ki Syiem kido. Hakani ga sengi ulalit jengo ru ya ka mau plang dam, hakaba ulayo ya ka jing batai, na ki barikor, ka tanat Public Health Engineering, bakatega dam kadai ka babasa ya baro ka sor shilong, bat kumju ya ka rukom sam syakit hliu yang hanong gendong, hakaba ka jela kalakot syaka hanyau penyau, point kat san %.
Very thankful to the government of Meghalaya and the people of Meghalaya for welcoming me here. It's my first visit to Shillong. You know, France and India have an exceptional relation, and it was important for me to come here in Meghalaya to see what we could do to develop the relation between France and Meghalaya. So we have many ideas. I will have the pleasure to meet in a couple of days His Excellency Chief Minister. We could develop our cooperation, for instance, in the sector of sports. You're a state where sports is very popular. In a couple of months, France will welcome the Olympic Games. I know that in 2026, Meghalaya and Shillong will welcome the Indian sports games. So it's something we could do. Culture also is a very good example where we could interact. We have many art and craft, and we want to develop interaction between my country and Meghalaya, and also economy. So I'm very curious I'm just at the beginning of my visit, and I'm very curious to better understand your needs, for instance, in terms of energy transition. You have a capacity to generate hydroelectricity. Actually, the largest companies in the world in this sector, hydro, are French companies. So dealing with water, dealing also with the protection of environment. This morning I had the pleasure to visit a sacred forest. So we have to learn from you, as a matter of fact, how to protect environment, how to protect forest, how to protect biodiversity. So once again, I'm just at the beginning of my visit, but this first visit is really to better understand your state and to see your needs and how we could interact. And then I'm leaving on Monday, and I will be it will be more clear for me to know exactly what we can do. And I want also to add that I am here because on Monday we will organize a big a military exercise between French and Indian army in Shillong. So this is also part of our interaction. So I'm also very happy to be here for this occasion. Thank you.